Hi guys, welcome to Saturday NFT show. We know this is gonna be some amazing show because Snoop Dogg has made some kind of headlines and there is a lot of action coming from Snoop Dogg specifically. Want to see into this
Hey
video?
Chip,
This video
I've
is
been
already
checking out
getting
that
quite
Cardano
viral.
as well.
Everybody wants to discuss about it, talk about it. Obviously, we can't share the audio because we're gonna get a copyright strike. It's Snoop Dogg after all, so that's not gonna be easy to get rid of the copyright strike, especially from him featuring in a video. Project looks amazing. It's Cardano's first project that I am really excited about. Before that, I really didn't think that Cardano is going to be that some massive group or blockchain that's going to be doing something big when it comes to NFTs. But definitely after this project, I can see some kind of hype coming into Cardano as well. Obviously, Snoop Dogg went to Sandbox. Sandbox became where it is today in the world, well known. We went on to Bored Ape Clubs, Lion Club, a lot of other projects as well, especially on different chains, and it did make a massive difference. So I'm very sure that this is gonna make a massive difference when it comes to this Cardano blockchain as well. Though Cardano has just been pretty downside, not much action going on. People beginning to drift away from Cardano, even though it's in the top 10 cryptocurrencies list, but yet it's never achieved really anything big, especially in the last 2 3 years. Not much action coming in Cardano at all. This could be that massive boost that Cardano was looking out for because obviously Snoop Dogg is a big name and now in NFT space. I think he's the biggest name out there. So I'm very sure people are going to be excited about that one. The next thing I was learning and researching, so I found out that CNFT.io is one of the biggest Cardano NFT marketplaces. So this a lot of NFTs here. You can scroll down, look at them. I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can search out too if you have never dipped into any kind of Cardano NFTs. Prices are okay, quite reasonable considering that it's about 90 cents right now. So it's almost $1. Let's just take it as $1 base. So it's gonna be easy. So this is about $60. It's about $120, $60, $60. They have similar projects, different concepts or different names. The project itself is quite similar, just using different names, different ideas, but overall the concept is very similar to the ones that we like usually see on Ethereum's blockchain as well. So not much difference there. Overall, good projects, good ideas. I'm not really sure what the utilities really are right now because most projects right now in the NFT space are struggling with genuine unit utility where they can actually offer something to the customer just other than him buying their art. Yes, everybody do promise I'm gonna build this community, that community, but most people fail to actually achieve anything with those communities also. So this is gonna be something interesting for us to see whether some big community is gonna be coming this one or not because obviously people want to see some kind of delivery coming into the system, not just buying an NFT and just feeling like, okay, I'm part of this community, what's next, right? Because if you are continuously going to be thinking what's next, then probably there is nothing next. Next thing for you I have been seeing around is the tools. So if we want to jump in right into the ClayNation and see what this whole project is about, they have different rankings, different numbers, similar to all the projects. So this one is about very expensive. This one is also very expensive. Most of them are not for sale. So this is another tool that I've been using to figure out whether this project is actually valuable or not. So actually it has a lot of value. It's easily going about 95,000 ADA, so that's about $95,000 if ADA is about 90 cents today. So overall it does have a lot of volume, a lot of value, big project. Art, most importantly, one thing that you can certainly talk about this one is that the art is surprisingly very clean and very different. Like you don't usually get to see many projects with this kind of art, this kind of idea. So ClayNation looks very promising. Just aside, not if even Snoop Dogg didn't join them, just aside that, they look very promising itself. Snoop Dogg joining them is just now made it even better. Find a piece of home in your zone. So this is their stand. So they have different things going on. So if you look at the art here, the ClayNation is a collection of 10,000 digital characters with algorithmically assembled handcrafted clay trades. Each unique character is one of a kind NFT stored on the Cardano blockchain. Just like in the non-Clay world, no two members of Clay Nations are the same. So interesting, quite similar to other projects as well. Then they also have view your Clay Nation NFT in 3D for free here. So you can do that if you have one. then you can buy ClayNation in secondary marketplaces. Then obviously this is the tool we are using right now. So the project looks very, very good. The idea in the picture is certainly very, very different from the projects you would see in the market overall. So I think that's also one reason Snoop Dogg probably would have joined, because it's very unique. I also really like the idea. It's just it's very expensive right now. I will be hunting if eventually I get something that is in my price range, then definitely I want to have something of ClayNation as well. Each NFT doubles as entry to ClayNation. They were gonna have their own ClayNation, their own community, just like all the other projects usually do. So this is something very, very exciting. Obviously, if you want to get more information about this project, you have to just follow them. The Clay underscore the Claymates. The name is ClayNation. They have about 50K followers. Looks very, very good. They have their own Discord link tree. A lot of things. They're gonna be having a ClayNation festival and molding the metaverse, something similar to all the other projects. So you can obviously get into it and understand and get to know more information about this one also. Pretty sure that this project is definitely gonna make some kind of headlines very soon, and everybody's very excited about this too. So on April 15th, they have also missed out on Big Nation. So basically, the ones that they are going to be featuring, especially with Snoop Dogg, is going to be called the Big Nation. It just came out very, very recent. It's not like it's been some time now and it's released. No, it just came out like this month. So it still has a lot of hype, still project that everybody is very, very bullish on. So obviously, if you want to get into this one, I would highly recommend to get in this one, because anything is possible in this project. Next up, as usual, Opensea. So on Opensea, we have more by Cornella. So this project is topping right now, especially in 7 days volume. Floor price is about 1.35. Owners are about 3.6K. Items are about 5.6K. It's up about 55% over the last 7 days. In 24 hours is having some kind of correction, but that's all right. That's pretty reasonable for us to know. So if you want to see, the project looks very, very good. More by Cornella is a unique, unusual mention in the metaverse, proudly presented by Fluent Club, where 555 creatures with their souls minted on the ERC721 blockchain as NFTs, each of these peacefully living together, humans, cyborgs, or even zombies. Is unique, hand-drawn by Spanish artist Cornella using over 200 unique attributes. You may even find shops, games, virtual exhibitions, and more. So this is their project. Overall, the project does look amazing. It does has a lot of hype around it too. So even if you want to check out the website, looks okay. Another one that's promising us a metaverse, is promising us a lot of things. So they're going to be having an auction needed. This is the more number one. Then they have the artist themselves. So the lot sold was about 46.305 ETH. Very, very good, very profitable for sure. Be a more guest, the first ever NFT project on Cornella. I would like it, if I may, to take you on this strange journey. So there's a lot of bunch of information here that you can obviously check out. I'm going to put the link in the description below. But overall, the idea of the project is very, very simple. Metaverse backed by its NFTs. Each have a character, so that character is going to bring you into different things that are going to be happening in the metaverse as well. Total supply is very, very decent. Public Dutch auction is about 74%. Team is about holding 5%. Whitelist was about 21%. That's pretty standard, pretty natural for projects to have that. Then you have more NFT drop, which happened in April. In May, they're expecting a mini game launch for the community. Community rewards coming in June. And about November, you're gonna have a grand opening of virtual exhibition, which is gonna be the metaverse as well. So there's gonna be raffle tickets, airdrops for holders to win 3D avatar in the metaverse, access to Cornella's physical and virtual exhibitions. So you're gonna have a lot of things from the artist. The artist is a Spanish cartoonist and illustrator known for using powerful black humor in his iconic artwork and comics. So obviously there's a lot of things about that. Then we have Fluent Club, which is a creative and digital collectible expert with a 20 plus years understanding of the impact of art. So obviously very, very big players, have a lot of experience as well. And obviously you can buy it on Opensea and different other NFT marketplaces as well. Overall, the project does look good, does have a very decent thing. The main thing I really like right about now is the floor price is very, very good, very, very reasonable. It's for 1.39. So obviously anybody who would want to aim into this will have a very good chance to get into this right now. And probably maybe if you have good luck coming in, then you can take this into very high levels as well. The next project, last one for today, we have is Dragon Mystery Box Sale, which is on Gate.io. So it's a KingdomX game. It's on Gate.io. Obviously, most of the NFTs are hitting right now, so you have to wait. They're starting from about $300. You even have $67. Floor price is just about $68. Have about 1,000 pieces and 31 owners. Volume traded is very reasonable. It's another play to earn kind of a game. So that's the reason I would suggest everybody to look into this, because it is something very interesting to get into. And obviously it's a metaverse medieval game designed around GameFi protocol. Looks very good. Even it's available on Huobi Exchange, Gate.io and PancakeSwap right now. So overall it does look very interesting. Has a lot of options for us. KingdomX Metaverse brings history to life. Entering the KingdomX Metaverse, you will start your journey from Aldrian Emperor, kings, warriors, merchants, wandering poets. Choose different identities and join the adventure. Defend the empire, conquer the plains, explore the forest, travel through the swamps, challenge the assassins. Feels different experience from KingdomX in different areas. So very good project. Proper game behind it. Looks very legit as well. So I'm certainly gonna be getting one of these. So there's gonna be step 1, which was an official website. Then this step 2, staking gameplay, NFT pre-sales, hero battle game. Then they're gonna be having land pre-sales, hero generation system, King's Landing protocol. Then they're gonna be having avatar system, land games, and sidechain projects. So a lot. It's a massive project. They even have a token which is gonna be called KingdomX, which stabilizes the economic system in the game. So it looks very decent as well. Even here, if we want to see the token allocation, it's very reasonable. Different IGO, seed sale, team and advisors, airdrops, liquidity and mining, marketing, ecosystem fund, play to earn, staking reward. So there's very different options for you to look out for and join them there as well. The project looks very good. Obviously, the art is hidden, so we can't see much information about the art. But overall, you can get it still for $68 because the floor is so cheap, and obviously you can have bid. If you are lucky enough, then probably you're gonna get a very cheap bid locked in for yourself. But overall, this project is really doing very well right now on Gate.io. I just came recently, just got 31 owners, so you could be the 32nd or 34th owner if you want to ape into this one. Definitely something for you to watch out for. Next one we have is Paris Blockchain Week. Just came like just recently, I think in the last 24 to 48 hours. Already has about 6,000 items and already has about 3,216 owners. And the volume traded is just amazing. Floor is just reasonable, because I always like to offer you guys something of a mixture. I don't want to offer you all expensive NFTs and then damn, nobody can afford them, right? So it's always reasonable to have NFTs, some on the cheaper side, some on the expensive side, but with a utility backed token or a game, because that's what is more important than just having an NFT collection. So now I'm going to see them. They're all going about right now. You can get them for decent prices. There's even $5, but the floor is for 2. So there are different combinations here. Some are gold passes, some are silver passes, and some are just bronze passes. So obviously you can get into it. I'm also bidding right now. I'm hoping to get a very good golden pass. Hopefully, if I do get one, then I'm going to be sharing with you guys next week. But these projects lately in the NFT space have been doing pretty well. So obviously, if you also want to aim into these projects, I would highly suggest you can also look into other projects as well on Gate.io, because they have a lot of projects right now, game related, Uncharted. Then there's Gate.io X NFTs as well, which are usually backed by different games as well. You can look into that. Then Opensea, obviously we discuss more. That is another project, looks very good, backed with game and metaverse. Hopefully it's gonna just came out, so gonna get more clarity slowly. And obviously, without any doubt, you have to look into ClayNation, because ClayNation looks amazing, and backed by Snoop Dogg is just gonna be something massive. So that's all for today's NFT show, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's what keeps you motivated. See you guys next week.